Hi, Guzampo. It's me Tanjin from Bhutan and currently working here in Abu Dhabi. So today I'm going to make one of the main cuisine of my country, kewa, which is basically a potato with cheese. Then onion. Then I'm going to add chilies. I'm going to put only a little bit because nowadays we are trying to avoid eating a lot of chilies. Then the salt. Then I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Then a water. I'm not going to put a lot of water because I don't want a very, like a soup. So I'm just going to keep it a little only. Then I'm going to lit the gas. Here you go. This is how it looks now. After like 2 minutes I'm going to add cheese. There are actually different ways of making this dish. Some people they add tomatoes, garlic, spring onions, and it's really nice with those ingredients also. But for now I'm going to make with only these 3 ingredients, and I will let you know how it looks like at the end of my video. I'm going to use this cheese. It goes really nice with anything.